Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this class, we will see next concept of chapter 2, that is relations. So first we will see what is relations. Okay. As relation R, the relations are divided by capital letters R. A relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. In our previous class already we have studied this one, Cartesian product. Okay, so what is the relation here? A relation R from a non-empty set A to non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. So here relation R is the subset of a Cartesian product A and B. Okay? The subset is derived by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of the ordered pairs in A cross B. ಈ relation ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ describe ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ this subset how they would derive by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of the ordered pairs in A cross B. Already we know the definition for A cross B. What is A cross B? It containing ordered pair XY. Okay, such that X belongs to first set and Y belongs to second set. So this is our definition. So in relation ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? So this relation is the subset of Cartesian product, and this subset is derived by describing the relation between X and Y, means first element and the second element. We will see how they will define. So let's see one example. Let set A equal to 1, 2, 3 and set B equal to 2, 3 there. Then find A cross B. So what is our A cross B? Our A cross B equals to 1, 2, 3 Cartesian product 2, 3. So this equals to so mapping one constant everyone 1, 2. When next to 1, 3, next 2, 2, 2, 3, next to 3, 2, 3, 3. So in condition illa. Cartesian product we do not have any conditions for mapping up the elements from set A to set B. Set A ಇಂದ set B ಗೆ elements mapping ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we didn't have any conditions, any relations. Just we map all the elements from set A to set B. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ elements ನಾವು set B ಗೆ map ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. There is no restrictions, there is no conditions. Okay, there is no relation. But relation is what? The relation is the subset of the Cartesian product. How they have derived? This is derived by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element. I will define one relation like relation R. It's also what? Subset of Cartesian product. It's also contain order pairs X, Y, such that define first relationship between first element and second element. X is less than Y, where X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. Note the relation is about the elements. So I have defined a relation between these two elements. X is less than Y. First element, second element define ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So this first element belongs to first set and our second element belongs to second set. Okay. ನೋಡಿ 1 to 9 ಇರುವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ಏನು x is less than y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 2 ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ because x is less than y. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 1 3 x is less than y. ಓಕೆ 2 2 ಬರಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 equal 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ x is less than y ಇದೆ. So ಇದು ಬರಲ್ಲ 2 2 ಬರಲ್ಲ. Next 2 3 yes 2 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ because x is less than y. Okay. 3 2 ಬರಲ್ಲ. Here 3 is greater than 2. X y ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 3 3 ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So this is our relation. X is less than y. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದಾವೆ ಹೌದಾ. So that's why R is the subset of Cartesian product A and B. So how they have obtained this relation? This subset is derived by describing the relationship between the first element and the second element. Clear after that? So relation is the subset of the Cartesian product. Okay. Next example. Let set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Define a relation from set A to set A by set R equals to relation R equals to containing order pair xy such that y equal to x plus 1. Write the relation R in roster form. Okay. They have defined this relation from set A to set A only. That is set define from set A to set A. Defined by it containing order pair x such that y equal to means second element equals to what? First element plus 1 and then y equal to x plus 1. So we'll see by arrow diagram. First arrow diagram the relation and set A to set A. They have defined a relation from set A to set A. Okay. Set A contains elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hang define madidare first element belongs to first set and second element belongs to second set. Okay, x y. This formula irundha. Y equal to x plus 1 anta. X to 1 akoli. Y ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. x to 1 akoli. 1 plus 1 2. So 1 2 ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x to 2 akoli. ಇದು 2 akoli. 2 plus 1. So y equal to 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x to 2 akoli y value is 3. 3 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 plus 1 y map to 4. 4 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5 map ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 map to 6. 6 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But this 7 is element. So this is the last. Okay. What's the solution? We have to write relation R in roster form. Then we have to list the elements. R equal to write down 1 map to 2. 1 ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಬಹುದು. 1 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x to 1 y value 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then 2 map to 3. 2 3 map ಇದೆ. x to 2 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 plus 1 3 x y 3 4 5 6 sorry 4 5 4 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 4 plus 1 5 map ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5 map to 6 5 plus 1 6. So this is our relation. Clear agide? Note on this example. Next we see the definitions of most frequently used terms in relation functions. Those are domain, range and codomain. So first we see what is domain. The set of all first elements of the ordered pairs in a relation R from a set A to a set B is called domain of the relation R. So what is domain? Domain is the set of all first elements in the ordered pair of the relation R. Set of all first elements of the ordered pairs in relation R, where this R is a relation from set A to set B. So that set is called domain of the relation. Now we will set A to set A only. Okay. If I replace this set by B, then generalize A to B and okay. Sometimes they will we define relation from set A to set B A only. Okay. If I take this set as B, the set B and consider one contract. Otherwise, consider this one only. Set of all first elements in the ordered pairs of the relation. First elements is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So domain of this relation is, I'll write here, domain equal to, this is also set. which contains all the first elements of the ordered pair R. Ordered pair of the relation R. 1. First element of the ordered pair 1. Next to 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the domain for this relation. Okay. Then what is range? The set of all second elements in an ordered pair of the relation R. So range is the set of all second elements in a relation R from a set A to set B is called range of the relation. The set of all second elements in a relation R. In the second elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the second elements. Range is also a set which contains all the second elements of the relation. Second elements in value 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the second elements. So each set has range at the head. You know what is codomain? The whole set B means second set. Relation from E in the relation R is from A to A. Okay, the second set is A only. Okay, if we define a relation generally from A to B in define ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ general relation A to B in define ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. This second set B or the second set is the A there. The whole set B is called the codomain of the relation R, means equal set. Second set is called codomain. Equal codomain ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ relation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So codomain equals to set A. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it clear? So one more note point. Range is subset or equal set of a codomain. Range ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಈ codomain ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Set of all first elements. Set of all first elements. ಇಲ್ಲಿ mapping is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Range is ಈ ಕಡೆ element map ಆಗಿರೋದು 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our range. So codomain, the whole set. The whole second set is called codomain. Okay. So range is subset or equal set of a codomain. Okay. Keep it in mind and note down these definitions. Next, note point. If number of elements in set A equal to P and number of elements in set B equal to Q, then number of elements in Cartesian product of A and B equal to n of A into n of B or P into Q. Okay. And total number of relations from set A to set B is given by 2 to the power n of A into n of B. So what is n of A into n of B? That is 2 to the power PQ. So n of A into n of B is PQ only. So 2 to the power PQ. Okay. On basis of this formula, so solve this example. Let us set A equal to 1, 2 and set B equal to 3, 4. Find the number of relations from A to B. Find the number of relations from A to B. First we have to find the number of elements in set A and set B. Then find number of elements in Cartesian product of A and B. Okay. Solution. So what are the number of elements in set A? Number of elements in set A is 2. 1, 2. Number of elements in set B equal to 1, 2. 2 elements. Therefore, number of elements in A cross B equal to means number of elements in Cartesian product of A and B equal to formula ಏನು already in Cartesian product ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು n of A into n of B. So number of is there 2 into 2, that equals to 4. Therefore, what we have to find here? The number of relations from set A to set B. Number of relations from A to B equal to 2 to the power n of A into n of B. Formula. So this equals to. So what is n of a into n of b? 4 to the power 4. That is 16. So total number of relations from set A to set B equal to 16. Okay. Note on this. Next, exercise 2.2. In that first one, let set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to 14. Define a relation from A to A by relation R equal to containing order pair xy such that 3x minus y equal to 0, where x and y belongs to set A only. Write down its domain, codomain and range. Okay, we'll see the relation solution. They have given 3x minus y equal to 0. Relation between x and y is 3x minus y equal to 0. Or you can also write it as y equal to transform 3x equal to y. Okay. Now write a relation R. What is your relation? You have to take x and y from set A only. I will note it. I will show in the arrow diagram. Up to 1 to 14 is the elements. Set A to set A. Set A elements in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is set A, and here also same thing. This set A. There 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. They have defined a relation R from A to A1. So first set level you have to take element X, then second element in the Y. Let's put one account. X for 1. 1 account. 1 account really map. They have defined x equal to 1 accordingly. 3 into 1 is 3. So y 1 map to 3. 1 daily map 3 map 2 accordingly. 2 into 3 6. So y equal to 6 x equal to 2 account y value 6 clear. X equal to 3 account. X equal to 3 account y value 3 into 3 9. So 3 account 9 map by 2. 4 account 4 into 3. X value 4 account. 4 account 4 into 3 problem. So y value 12. X value 4 y value 12 by 2. X equal to 5 by 3. 5 account 5 into 3 15. 15 y value 15. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ last 14 ಇದೆ. So map ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So last element 12. So 1 ಹಾಕೊಂಡಾಗ 3 ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಯಿತು. 2 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 into 3 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x equal to 3 ಆದರೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 9 ಆಯಿತು. 4 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 12. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಆಟೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರೋ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 3 ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 2 6 3 9 4 12. ನೀವು 5 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 15 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 14 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 4 12. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ relation, and we have to write a domain, codomain and range for this relation. Domain is the set of all first elements in the ordered pair of the relation. So set of all first elements in the relation 1 2 3 4 first elements. Write down those elements 1 2 3 4. This is our domain. Then codomain is second set. The whole set is called the codomain. Definition machine. The whole set B, B plus A is the step. The whole set B, the whole set A is called out codomain. You can directly write it as A or 1 2 3 up to 14. This is our codomain. Then what is range? Set of all second elements of the ordered pairs in a relation R. Range definition is set of all second elements in the relation R. second element ಏನು 3 6 9 12 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ 3 6 9 12 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 4 ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ note down this second question define a relation R on the set n of natural numbers by relation R equal to containing order pair xy such that y equal to x plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4. X is a condition ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. X is a natural number less than 4. xy belongs to natural numbers. Depict this relationship using roster form. Write down the domain and the range. They have given a relation on a set of natural numbers and they have given condition for x. X again condition is really it is less than 4 ಇದೆ. So what are the values of x here? X equals to 1, 2, 3 less than 4. X is a natural number less than 4 ಅಂತಿದೆ. So x value 1, 2, 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And what about the relation R? They have defined y equal to x plus 5. Order pair x ಮತ್ತೆ y ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay? x ಗೆ condition x is a natural number less than 4 ಇದೆ. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ x equal to 1 ಹಾಕಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x equal to 1. 1 plus 5 y value 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Clear? x equal to 1 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ equal to 1 plus 5 6. So y equal to 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x y 2 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ x equal to 2 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 2 plus 5 y value ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x equal to 2 ಗೆ y 7 ಆಯ್ತು 3 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 plus 5 8. So y value is 8. Clear? Domain set of first elements 1 2 3 first elements only 1 2 2 3 ಇದೆ. So domain equals to 1 2 3. Domain definition is set of all first elements in the ordered pair of the relation. Okay, first elements. Then range ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is range? Set of all second elements in the relation R. So relation R is second elements. ಏನು ನೋಡಿ ordered pair second elements ಏನಿದೆ 6 7 8. So this is the range of this relation. The range also set 6 7 8. Set of all second elements of the ordered pair in the relation R. Okay, note down. Next, third question. Set A equal to 1 2 3 5 and set B equal to 4 6 9. Define a relation R from A to B. Here they have defined relation from set A to set B by relation R equal to it containing order pair xy such that the difference between x and y is odd. The difference between x and y is odd. Where x belongs to set A, x ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು set A ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು y ನ set B ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Okay, so difference between x and y is odd. Okay, so write the R in roster form. Okay, we'll see solution. So write relation R in roster form. Roster form ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to list all the elements. Set A ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ this is set A, this is set B. Set A contains 1 2 3 5. Set B contains 4 6 9. So difference is odd. 1 minus 4 man. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus 4. Difference between x and y. ಇದು x ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. X is from x belongs to A and y belongs to set B. Difference between these two 1 4 ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. 1 and 4 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus 4. This is minus 3. Okay. Minus 3 is odd or not? 3 minus 3, it is an odd number. ಬೆಸ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1 6 1 6 1 minus 6 ಎಷ್ಟು? minus 5. minus 5 ಏನು? odd number. ಸೊ 1 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 9 1 9 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 1 minus 9, it is minus 8. So minus 8 is even. This is even. ಇದು ಬರಲ್ಲ, 1 8 ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 2 minus 4 2 minus 4 ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? minus 2 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು even ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಂಬರ್, ಇದು ಬರಲ್ಲ. 2 6 ಮಾಡಿ. 2 minus 6 minus 4 ಆಯ್ತು, even ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 9 2 minus 9. This is minus 7. Yes, it is odd number. 2 and 9. So x value 2, y value 9. 2 complete ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 ನೋಡಿ. 3 4 3 minus 4 minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? So minus 1 is odd number. 3 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 6 3 minus 6 minus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The minus 3 is also odd. So 3 6 ನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 9 3 minus 9 minus 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 6 is even, ಅದು ಬರಲ್ಲ. 5 4, yes, 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 is odd. 5 6 ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 5 minus 6 is minus 1, ಅದು odd ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 9 5 9 5 minus 9 is minus 4, ಅದು even ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಬರಲ್ಲ. So this is our relation in Roster form. Here the difference between x and y is odd. Difference ನೋಡಿ. 1 minus 4 minus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is minus 3. ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 5. This is minus 7. ಇದು minus 1. ಇದು minus 3 1 and minus 1. So difference ಏನಿದೆ? ಎಲ್ಲವೂ odd ಇದೆ. So ಅಂತವಷ್ಟೇ ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರೇ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು difference between x and y is odd. Okay, not obvious. Next, fourth question. The figure shows a relationship between the set P and Q. Write this relation in set builder form, in roster form. What is its domain and range? Here they have given one figure. This figure shows the relationship between the set P and Q. So we have to write this relation in set builder form and in roster form, and we also write its domain and range. Okay. So set builder form ki condition ಏನು? Set builder form which contains all the elements which possesses a common property. Set builder form ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It contains all the elements which possess a common property. ಇಲ್ಲಿ common property ಏನು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 3 ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, 6 4 ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, 7 5 ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ತಗೋತೀರೋ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ r equals to it containing order pair xy such that what is the relationship between x and y here? ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, 5 minus 2 is to 3, 6 minus 2 is to 4, 7 minus 2 is to 5. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ -2 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ x minus 2 ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ x minus 2 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? y ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇವೇನ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇವು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಏನು? x ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ. -2 equal to these terms are y. Okay, just write like that. Relation r equal to containing order pair xy such that generally x minus 2 equal to y, where x belongs to p and y belongs to q is that. This can be set builder form ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Next roster form. Roster form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? We list out all the elements directly. It's order pairs. ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ 5 3 ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 5 3 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 6 4 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 7 5 so this is what roster form set builder form ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ set builder form and roster form so what is domain here what is domain but write domain and range also domain equals to ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನೇನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೊಮೇನ್ 5 6 7 ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 5 6 7 5 6 7 this is our domain what about range set of second elements in relation r 3 4 5 otherwise second set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅವು 3 4 5 clear note down next fifth question let the set A equal to 1 2 3 4 6 let R be the relation on set A defined by it containing order pair AB such that AB belongs to set A B is exactly divisible by A they have defined the relation B is exactly divisible by A okay so first one write the relation R in closed form and find the domain and find the range. Okay, we'll see solution. Relation R equal to what they are given. You have to take A and B from set A only. They have given B is exactly divisible by A means second element. Second element is exactly divisible by A. Okay, now really. 1 ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಏನಿದೆ ನಮ್ದು ಸೆಟ್ ಎ 1 2 3 4 6 this is set A they have defined relation on A only from means set A to set A ಅನ್ನಂಗೆ okay 1 2 3 4 6 so this is our elements A elements B okay so ನೋಡಿ one divisible ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ B is exactly divisible by A so 1 is divisible by 1 ಈ B ಈ 1 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ B is exactly divisible by 1 is divisible by 1 yes 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 is divisible by 1 ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುವವರೆಗೂ 1 ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 1 ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ is it 2 is divisible by 1 2 is divisible by 1 yes 2 by 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಡು 3 ಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 3 ಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ is it this 3 is divisible by 1 yes 1 4 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ 4 ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ 1 yes ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 6 yes 6 is also divisible by 1 so 1 is complete next go for 2 2 ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ is it 1 divisible by 2 no so 1 by 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0.5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ it's not proper division the proper divide ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ that's why 2 1 ಬರಲ್ಲ because this 1 is not divisible by 1 2 because this 1 is not divisible by 2 2 2 2 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ because 2 is divisible by 2 next 2 3 ಬರಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 3 is not divisible by 2 next 2 4 yes 4 is divisible by 2 next 2 6 with a 6 map 6 is divisible by 2 next 2 complete next 3 ನೋಡಿ 3 1 ಬರಲ್ಲ 3 2 ಬರಲ್ಲ 3 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ yes 3 is divisible by 3 next 3 4 ಬರಲ್ಲ 3 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ because 6 is divisible by 3 next 4 element ನೋಡಿ 1 divide ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ 2 3 4 yes 4 is divisible by 4 4 is divisible by 4 so 2 is not divisible by 4 2 divide ಆಗಲ್ಲ 4 ಇಂದ okay next 4 4 4 6 ಬರಲ್ಲ 6 is not divisible by 4 yes next 6 6 Okay, 6 is divided by 6. So this is our relation. Next, what they have asked, write the domain of R and the range of R. Okay, second one, domain equals to domain kya second one domain है set of all first element in the order pairs of the relation R. First element 1 already there, 1. Next 2. Those two formally elements repeat ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. Already 1 ಇದೆ, don't repeat the elements. Next 2 ಇದೆ, 2. Next 3, 4, 6. So this is our domain. Then what is range? Third one. Range equals to set of second elements in order pair. 1, 1. Next one, 2, 3, 4, 6. Whatever elements are repeat actively. So this is our range. Domain and range. Clear? Not all. Next one, sixth question. Determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by relation R equal to containing order pair x, x plus 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ x plus y ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು x y ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು y equal to x plus 5 ಅನ್ನೋ ಬದಲಿಗೆ they have given directly defined this y as x plus y. Okay, first element x ಇದೆ, second element x plus 5 ಇದೆ. Where x belongs to this set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just it's very easy. Write down the relation solution. R equal to first element x ಇದೆ, second element ಏನು ಬೇಕು x plus 5. Take x equal to 0. First element ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Order pair 0. 0 plus 5 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 0 plus 5. Second element ಏನು? 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ direct. I will write direct. 0 plus 5 is 5. And x to 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 ಆಯ್ತಾ? 1 plus 5. 6. Because they have defined like that. First element x ಇರಬೇಕು, second element x plus 5. Next x equal to 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 plus 5 7. x equal to 3 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 3 plus 5 8. Next x equal to 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 4 plus 5 9. X equal to 5 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 5 plus 5 10. So this is our relation. And we have to determine the domain and range. So what is domain? Set of first elements in the ordered pair of relation R. First element is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. What is range? Set of all second elements in a ordered pair of relation R. Second elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is our range. Okay? Now down. Seventh one. Write the relation R which contains order pair x cube. What is first element x is there? Second element to x cube. Okay. Such that x is a prime number less than 10. X is a prime number less than 10 in roster form. Okay? What is relation? Before that, what are the values of x? X is a prime number less than 10. So what are the values of x? X equal to x is a prime number less than 10. 2, 3, 5, 7. So these are the prime numbers less than 10. Now relation R. Condition is that first element x is that second element x cube. Okay, take down 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 5 cube 125, 7 cube 343. Is it clear? First element x is the second element x cube will be. Okay. X cube, x cube, x cube, x cube. Not bad. Next, 8th question. Let set A equal to xyz and set B equal to 1 to find the number of relations from A to B. Already we know the formula that the number of relations from A to B is given by 2 to the power n of A into n of B. Is it right? We know this one. Number of relations from set A to set B is given by 2 to the power n of A into n of B. So that's why find the n of A and n of B. First find solution. N of A equals to 1, 2, 3. So number is there, 3 elements there. N of B is there, 1, 2. So 2 elements. N of A cross B equals number of elements in Cartesian product equals what? N of A into N of B, that equals 2. 3 into 2, that equals 6. We know that the number of relations from A to B equal to 2 to the power n of A into n of B, that equals to 2 to the power n of A is there, 3 into 2, that equals to 2 to the power 6. And what is 2 to the power 6? 64. Okay, the total number of relations from set A to set B equal to 64. Okay, now down. Next question. Let R be the relation on Z. So Z is the set of integers defined by R equal to containing order pair AB such that AB belongs to Z. A minus B is an integer. A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and range. Here we have to find the domain and range. Okay, solution. So we have to find domain and range. So before that, so see here arrow diagram. So here relation is defined on integers Z to Z. They have defined as A minus B is an integer. So Z contains minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, we know this one. And here's the same thing, same sector. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, plus infinity. Plus infinity, minus infinity. What they have given? So here we have set elements A, we have elements B. E formula there. First element, second element. First element belongs to first set and second element belongs to second set. What they have given? Here, A minus B is an integer, then we have to find the domain and range. Okay, what is minus 2 and minus 2? You can take any elements. ಈಗ A value ನಾನು minus 2 ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. B value minus 2 ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. minus 2 of minus 2 A minus B. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? minus 2 minus of minus plus 2 ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಂಗೇನೆ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 0 minus 2, ಸೊ minus 2 ಆಯಿತು. 1 minus 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದು ಏನಾಯಿತು? minus 2 ಆಯಿತು. ಅಥವಾ 1 minus 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 3 ಆಯಿತು. 4 minus 8 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 4 ಆಯಿತು. 10 minus 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You can take any two numbers from integers. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. You can take any numbers. So that's why ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತು B ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ A ಮೈನಸ್ B ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು A and B ಏನೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ A minus B is an integer. You can take any value. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಎರಡು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್.